When you're on a web page, a cool shortcut to know is tab plus spacebar, and that goes down the page. When you want to go up a page, click shift plus spacebar and it takes you back to the top of the page. When you're onto something and you just want to quickly check what's on your desktop, a quick shortcut to know is the Windows logo key plus comma, and that will show you a quick preview of your desktop. And once you release the Windows button, it brings you back to what you were doing. You're focusing on your Word document and you want to remove all distractions from the background. Click a quick shortcut to know is the Windows logo key with home, and that will remove all the background apps that are behind. Now, if you want to maximize this Word document, a quick shortcut to know is the Windows logo key plus up, and that will maximize your screen. If you want an on-screen keyboard, a quick shortcut to know is the Windows logo key along with Control and O. That will pop up your on-screen keyboard. Consider subscribing.